Hi guys, and in front of me is Honor 70, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate tap sounds. So at first, reach settings, then find and pick sounds and vibration, and go to more settings. Here you will notice keypad tones, so just mark it, and you can choose default or melody. So let me show you how it works. Here we've got the melody active. And then if you will apply default, you will hear the standard tune. And obviously you can mute it the same way. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.